Take it up higher, 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 higher. Going up. And now drop it down. Touch your chin down to the chest. Touch your chin down to the chest. Roll it down all the way. And stop. When I am going, you listen to my instructions. When I am saying higher, you are not going higher.
उल्टा लेट जाइए.
So listen to what I am saying. Let's see.
हाथ साइड में. थोड़ा सा ऊपर किसको.
This one's uploaded. I'll upload this. I'll do 3-4 upload them, then 3-4 upload them. So we take it to the camera. Follow my instructions. When I'm saying neck up means neck up. When I'm saying touch your chin down to your chest, you need to touch your chin down to your chest. Come on, let's start.
आ जाओ.
This side.